everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Happy New Year. This is the first floss tube for 2023. It is going to be a super fast one because there hasn't been much happening. So, well, much stitching happening. I've worked on two projects quite poorly, but you know, I've done a little bit, and I've also got a finish of another stitchy related project, so let's get into it. First one is my travel stitching. Where'd my book go? Which is Wouldn't Life Be Great by Lizzie Kate. I'll show you this one actually. So that's this one here, and I'm nearly finished. So I started this on the 10th of January 2021, so there's no reason why this shouldn't be finished, and if I can, in 4 days I may be able to get it finished on its birthday. So this is where I'm up to. So I'm up to down here. Guys weren't so confusing, and then there's another line that says saying goodbye, only meant until tomorrow, and then there's a house and a little hill and some trees and a fence. So it's so close. I can get that done in 4 days if I concentrate. There's not a lot left to do at all. So I'll put a photo in, and we'll bring that down, of where I was the last time you saw it. And yes, so I'm pleased with that. So that is Wouldn't Life Be Great, and I'm going to finish it the same way as I've done my winter and autumn, which is mounted on a board. Is it? I think that's on the wall. I won't pull it down. So that's the plans for that piece, and then it'll probably go up on my art gallery wall up here somewhere. I've got a mishmash of all sorts of things that I've done up here. I've got what is it? The Union Jack that I did for the commemoration of the Queen. I've got some diamond paintings up there. I've got some drawings that I did. I've got some cross stitch pieces. So I might add this up there as well. Right, that was my travel stitching. Now the other piece that I worked on was my London by Thea Governor. So that is this piece here. There we go. Nope. No, there. I need to work out this lighting because it's a pain in the neck. So that is London, and I started this on New Year's Eve 2021 going into 2022. So this is a year old already. Yes. So this is where I'm up to. I'll put a photo in. If I come back here, I'll put a photo in of where I was up to when you last saw it and where it is now. So this is 1/1. Ooh, you can get right in there. 1/1 full cross on 18 count black Ada. So that is London. So that's all my stitching. I don't have any plans yet for a schedule for stitching. excuse me, I want to work something out, and I haven't planned. One goal is I've got 14 smallish pieces that I want to finish this year, so I'm going to focus on those. I want to finish a Haid this year. I've got one that's nearly at 50%, which I may be able to do, and then I've got a new start. I don't know when I'm going to start it, but it, I think, has to be the smallest Haid on the planet, which is this one, and it's called Hazel's World, and it's only 118 by 207. So I started it a while ago on 25 count, but I'm going to restart it on 18 count. So whether I aim to have this one finished this year or my chocolate and more chocolate, I don't know. I haven't decided. So 14 smallish pieces to finish, a Haid to finish, and I want to finish one of my fancy ladies. I don't know which one. Maybe Snow Queen, because she's probably the closest. I've got Miss Ladybug, but she's only tiny, so I don't know if she really counts. But yes, so 14 smallish, a Haid, and a fancy lady. So those are my plans that are very loose and could change. So, but apart from that very small amount of stitching, that's all I've done. But I did finish my slow stitched needle book. So that is that there. I will I'm going to film a full flip through of it because it's very hard to show you here, but I've sewn on some matching ribbon for the closure, not ribbon, what is it, trim, and then it opens there. That's a pocket, and then the front opens, hang on, the front opens like that, and then I've made a little card for all of the needles and their purposes, so I'm happy that that's done. So that's that slow stitching project. I'm going to, the other slow stitching project I've got is my Journal of Stitchery that I started as a craft along with Crafty Creations on YouTube. That was from a few years ago. So you make the stitch journal, and then you make a few projects to go in the journal based on prompts. So I've started that. I haven't done an awful lot, but that's my other slow stitch project. So I'm going to film a full flip through of this. I'm going to add it to my finishes journal that I made. I think I shared that last time. Finishes junk journal. I'm pretty sure I did. But that's all my plans. So I'm home today, so I've got a bit of time to yeah, get a few things done. So I hope you all have a wonderful week. I don't know about my filming schedule yet. I haven't decided exactly what day. I need to get on to that. I'm thinking maybe Thursday for Flosstube. But yeah, you'll see it when you see it. But I'm thinking Thursdays. So have a wonderful week everybody, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.